Upload Live! Hello! Ayan, so, hindi natin break with a Friday today because we will be having, or we are guessing a special band. Ayan, so I'm sure that you already know that we will be having fast session in a while. Ayan, but before anything else, of course, first things first, ang ating palaro, hindi tayo mahuhuli dyan, okay? Ang ating palaro ay Tagalog word. 3-letter word. Na letter A nagsisimula. Okay? Ako na magsisimula. Aso. Okay? So if you know a right answer, mag-text na kayo. Up to a 40, send to 2366, and you might just be the lucky winners of cash prizes. Yes, it's 10,000, 3,000, and 2,000 pesos. Okay? So if you want to be a winner, and of course, possible top downloader of the week, ayan, you could win the Via Shade. Just text ulitin ko. Up to a 40, send to 2366. Okay? And later, I will be having a little, you know, interactive box right here. So if you want to join naman sa text react natin, mag-text lang ng react space, up space, name, comma, ang inyong mensahe. Send yan sa 2331 for Globe, PM at Sun Cellular. 231 naman for Smart and Talk and Text. Alright. And, okay, papalabas natin ang ating game. Na, hindi ko naman na ayan! Okay, so you might win 10,000 pesos and 5,000 pesos. It's bumuo ng Tagalog words na nagsisimula sa letrang A. 3-letter words. Okay? So, just think about that. Sabi ni Niza, Ate Beautiful, greet ko lang lahat ng taga-akapasok ko sa drop hello. Ayan. Okay, so mag-message lang kayo dito. I want you to keep me company since, alam niyo naman, pagkada Biyernes, solo flight ako. Okay, and, bakit talak-worthy ba yun? Okay, and speaking of keeping me company, please also share, like our Facebook page. Okay, so go to facebook.com/musicupdateliveofficial and our Twitter is twitter.com/musicupdatelive. Okay, and of course, Martin Update. Ako naman, Gika Last sa Twitter yan. Mag-message lang kayo. And later, I will be greeting everyone. And later on, we will be having, you will witness our new segment soon enough. Okay, it's called Song Ko To. So yan, lahat ng mga puyaters, ini-encourage namin na mag-send ng inyong mga personal stories. One-pager lang guys ha. Gusto namin kayo makilala pero wala tayong oras na isang libro. So one page lang, i-send nyo ang inyong story sa songkoto@gmail.com with the title Song Ko To. Okay? So, mag-matching song and we could even interact and sing the songs that you will request. Right. Speaking of singing, I will not prolong this any longer. Alright, here we go. Fast session, everyone. Woohoo! you are Jake, Orca, Coco. Okay, Orca, you may introduce the rest.
Yes. Sa keyboard, si Meg. Sa drum, si Perth, na hindi daw siya nakikita dahil nakaharang ako. Si June sa lead guitar. At sa bass, si Edgar.
Ayan, okay. So, tell us how you guys got together. Because this is my first time to hear you guys. So, tell us a little bit about your background. Paano kayo nagkasama-sama?
Yeah, actually, Fab Session, it was organized, or it was put up 1996.
Wow!
Yes, and so most of the members are like second and third generation members now of the band.
Okay, wow.
So through the years, nawawala yung isang member, napapalitan.
Oo.
So it's just like that.
So, sino yung mga original talaga sa inyo?
Yung pinakabata. Pinakabata? Ito? Dalawa? Yung dalawa.
Wow! Mga loyalista. I wanna know why is it called Fab Session?
Yes. Masakit.
So actually,
Parang Fab Session kasi parang mataba yung tugtugan, mataba yung entertainment na binibigay.
Ngayon
Parang
ako nakarinig na
busog. Parang busog.
Busog. Okay. So, parang...
Obvious.
Pero ano, ang unique kapag
But originally talaga, when they put up the band, year 1996, if
Okay.
I was mistaken, matataba na yung girl members, yung girl singers.
Okay.
So,
Kinuha
that's what they coined the term Fab Session.
Okay. Wow, ang galing naman. So, ibig sabihin, do you guys sing covers only or do you guys write your own songs? Ano yung flavor?
Ayun, yung pinapromote namin na album.
Okay. So, what's the album that you have right now?
Ayun, Jan.
Sige, later. Sige, anin natin yan. Ngayon, yung mga gigs nyo, do you rehearse? How often do you rehearse? Kasi ang dami nyo, so I guess it's difficult to gather everyone. Pero weekly ba do you rehearse? Or talagang,
Mga 2 times a month.
Two
Yes,
times a
yes,
month?
yes.
Pero every week meron kayong gig?
Yes, almost every day we have.
Almost every day. 5 days a week.
5 days? Wow! Saan kayo nagigig?
Tuesday,
Oo.
Sendicitas.
Okay.
Thursday, Baga Verde, Rojas
Okay.
Boulevard. Friday, Strums, Makati.
Oo.
Saturday, Blue Wave, Makapagal.
And Sunday,
Sunday, Off the Grill, Timog.
nearby.
Book kayo parati
Monday, kakain ako ng kakain.
para mag-get ka na sa buong linggo.
Kanya-kanyang racket pag
So,
Monday.
itong 7 na to, how long have you guys been together? I mean, like, sticking at these just 7 members?
Iba-iba. Ako yung sa lahat, ang maliban kay Ender tsaka kay June, ako yung medyo matagal na, 12.
Well,
12.
I've
Okay.
been with the group 10 years.
10 years. Okay, so pinag-usapan dito, dekada na.
Sila.
Okay. Alright. Sige, pero would you say na yung audience nyo, hindi lang siya na-stuck sa, in a certain age, kasi like it caters to everyone,
Mas maganda pa kasi we're a comedy band.
You're a comedy band. How would you say you're a comedy band?
Siya, may pamataw.
Nangungulit.
Pero hindi naman kayo nang oo-cry.
Minsan, pero syempre, kailangan wholesome.
Wholesome. I like that.
No green, no green.
I like that. Okay, dapat.
Okrayan mo.
Okay, mo.
Mamili ka ng okrayan mo dyan.
Sarili ko na lang.
Go, sige.
Hindi, parang sanay lang kami sa kung ano yung nakikita namin na sitwasyon,
Oo.
doon ako nag-base eh.
So, you have a comedic background or talagang
Oo.
you're just, talaga, comedian ka before? Okay.
Hanggang ngayon naman, pagka walang band,
Oo.
nasa mga boys.
And everyone also has that sense of humor.
Oo.
Talaga? Mga
Even sila sa likod, nagpapatawa din sila.
Oo nga mo kasi kuya, nakakatawa siya.
Sino? Eto, grabe na.
Talaga? Wow, okay, sige. Balikan natin ang Fab Session. I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions that you need to know. Basis with them. So please text the Akla kayo dito, right? This little blue box all for you. And of course, our Facebook is very much open for y'all. Okay, pero for now, nakikita niyo ang ating orange box because it's